Hello, my dear little learners. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn phonics. Apple. B ball. C car. D dog. Egg. Frog. G gift. H hat. Igloo. Juice. Kangaroo. Lemon. Mouse. Nose. Orange. Pen. Quilt. Rain. Snake. Telephone. Umbrella. Van. Watch. X-ray. Yo-yo. Zip. Thank you for watching. Follow for more videos. Thank you.